Guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today we are all zoomed in because we're going to be doing a tutorial with this eye look that I have on right now, which is my little cotton candy skies eye look. And I had someone ask on TikTok if I could make a tutorial, so here I am with a tutorial. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this really cute little cotton candy skies eyeshadow look, then just keep watching this video. So I'm just following my Instagram post because I'm pretty sure I can redo this easily. It's a pretty simple eye look, but I just want to make sure I'm like doing all the colors right and everything, so I'm following this picture. The first step is to prep your eyelids. I'll be prepping my eyes with the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Concealer. And then taking my VASANTI Concealer Buffer Brush and buffing that out. So the first shade in the palette that we're going to go into is E-Bug. It's this purple, and I'm taking my FARAH brush, my blender brush 25EL. That's what I'm taking for this. And we are just putting that like right here on the inner corner. So mainly focus that on the inner corner, and then you want to sort of blend it towards the middle. Now taking the shade Sky Blue, which is this pastel blue, you're going to put that on the middle of your eyelid, and we're just going to blend it literally just right in the middle, blend it into the purple. Now on the outer corner of the eye, we're going to be taking the shade Mint Chip. I still haven't cleaned off my brush. I've just been using the same brush, just dipping it back into these colors. That way everything's nice and blended. I'm sort of packing these shadows on and then softly blending them together, but to start off with, you mainly want to pack the eyeshadow on to get a good base color. Now taking my Alamar Cosmetics Fluffy Blender Brush, I'm going to go back into each one of those shades, and I'm going to like blend them out a little bit. Alright, now we want to cut the crease. Before we cut the crease, I'm going to go clean this up with micellar water. I just take the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Then I'm taking the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Concealer again, except this time I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. Just like that. And then I'm going to take the Alamar Cosmetics Flat Brush, the like little like concealer flat brush, and I'm going to cut the crease with that. Now taking this like fluffy shadow brush that came in a set from Doe Color or Do Color, we're going to go back into each one of those shades, except now we're going to reverse the colors. So now it's going to be green, blue, and purple instead of purple, blue, and green. So first taking Mint Chip. Then taking Sky Blue. And then E-Bug. Since Sky Blue's in the middle on both of them, I went ahead and I took Pistachio, and I put just like a little bit of pistachio over that because I thought it would look pretty. Okay, now comes the slightly tricky part of this eyeshadow look, and that's doing the clouds. So to do the clouds, I took my Glisten Cosmetics Split Liner. This one is in Coke Float, and of course I just took the white one. I also used my Glisten Cosmetics brush. This is their number 2 brush. You can use code EMMA10 to save 10% off of glistencosmetics.com. I will have that link down below for you guys. So I just take some setting spray. Right now I'm using the Pure Haze Mist setting spray, and I just spray into the lid. When I did this eye look, it was only my second time doing clouds, so if I can do it, you guys can do it. So then I've got the white on my brush, and basically I would just draw like 3 little bumps, you know, just like 1, 2, and then 3, and then I would fill it in like sort of like halfway. That way I can blend it in with eyeshadow. Okay, so that one almost looked like 4 bumps, but you get the point. I'm like pretty sure my hands are like way shakier right now, and I have no idea why. Now taking this little tiny smudge brush, I'm just going to take the shades that the clouds are in, and I'm going to use those colors to kind of blend the clouds in a little bit. Now what I did the last time is when I did that, I then went back over a couple of the clouds to kind of make them look like 3D, I guess. So what we're doing is we're putting other clouds in front of the clouds that we just did to sort of make them look more 3D. So that's basically the look. I'm gonna go do the other eye, add eyeliner, and I guess like do the rest of my face makeup, and I'll be back to finish this look. Okay, so the eye look is done, my makeup's done. I just went ahead and did it all off camera because there was really nothing that exciting. My lashes are from Pretty Lovely Official. I will link them down below for you guys. All I did to my bottom lash line is I just added some of eBug and Sky Blue. Like that was all I added. So really didn't need to be recorded. So anyway, that is the eye look done. What do you guys think? I think it's so cute and I love it. It is literally like the cutest little eye look I've come up with out of this palette, and I'm really happy that I did it, and I'm really happy to have made a little tutorial for you guys. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful if you are interested in recreating this eye look. Also, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!